How to remove multiple accounts from WhatsApp. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove the multiple accounts in your WhatsApp. The very first step is to launch your WhatsApp application. Make sure you have installed the latest version so that you won't miss out any new features. After that, just open your WhatsApp. On the top right side you will see 3 vertical dots right there. Just tap on the 3 vertical dots. Tap on the setting option. Now tap on your account option. Now you can see that I don't have multiple accounts in my WhatsApp, so there is no option for me to remove my account. But if I add any account, then it will take me to switch account and I can see both my accounts right there, and I can simply remove any account that I want to from the WhatsApp. So to try it and see if it works or not. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button. Also comment on the comment section below.